Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today is a brand new series slash video for my channel and I'm very excited to introduce you guys to what I am calling product wars. This video in particular is going to be the battle of the leave-in conditioners. I'm going to be reviewing 3 leave-in conditioners that I use in my hair and compare the good and the bad of each of these products. So please stay tuned to find out which one wins the battle. This video idea was actually brought to me by one of my subscribers and a fellow YouTuber who I'm subscribed to, this Trini Will. Put her name somewhere here or link her channel in the cards for you guys can check out her channel as well. But she commented on one of my videos about my leave-in conditioner and also suggested the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner that I'm going to mention in this video as well. The suggestion was made to do a comparison video of these products and I definitely took her up on this, and instead of doing 2 products, I'm actually doing 3 leave-in conditioners because I just added another one in my rotation. So let's get into the products. The first product that I'm going to be speaking about is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner. You guys already know from my past videos that this is a favorite of mine. I've been using this since the beginning of my relaxed hair journey. Let's just get into what this product contains. I'm just going to read this short description. The Cream of Nature formula quickly softens, detangles, and conditions while protecting against damage. The leave-in conditioner, infused with certified natural coconut oil, nourishes hair while detangling and adding shine. So the main ingredients in this is obviously coconut oil. It also contains safflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, olive oil, and I think that's it. And it also contains some light proteins to the end of the product. This product comes in a 8.45 spray bottle container. You will see a trend in these. They are all actually spray leave-in conditioners because those are my favorites to use on my hair. It is very liquidy and the consistency is like a light mist. This product does have a light perfumey scent, but it's not too overwhelming, which is what I like for my hair. Personally, I don't find it very moisturizing compared to the other 2 conditioners that I'm going to be speaking about. But when it comes to detangling, nothing beats this. This is the absolutely best product for detangling. I actually use this when I have serious knots and issues going on in my hair. This is my saving grace. It is one of the best detanglers that I've ever used in my hair, and days when my hair just is struggling and having a hard time, this is definitely my go-to leave-in conditioner. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Leave-In Treatment. This is it here. The description reads, soften hair and improve manageability with this lightweight leave-in treatment. Enriched with 100% virgin coconut oil, coconut milk, acacia, Senegal, and fair trade shea butter. This restorative formula helps to rehydrate and detangle while reducing frizz. Leaves hair wrapped in a light coastal coconut breeze. This product was a new one that I introduced to my hair within the last couple of weeks or so, and I've been using it mainly on my new growth sections at the top of my hair during my last stretch. This product works really well at moisturizing my new growth and my hair in general, to the point where on my lazy days I can just add this to my hair, seal with an oil, and I would be fine. Some of the ingredients in this product are coconut oil, shea butter, sweet almond oil, coconut fruit extract, coconut oil fatty acids, nettle leaf extract, and some light proteins as well. When it comes to moisture, this product is definitely very moisturizing, but I will not rate it as a detangling product because I did struggle a bit when detangling my hair with this product. It just didn't give me that slip and that nice glide that I like when I add my leave-in conditioner in my hair. So while it's moisturizing, it wasn't the best at detangling. The consistency of this product is a bit less liquidy and more on the thicker side. It has a really light coconut scent, and I love coconut as a scent in general, so I definitely enjoy that in this product. Overall, I rate this product as a very good product, especially when it comes to moisturizing that stubborn new growth that we get while stretching our relaxers. While it's not the best at detangling, this product is definitely worth being in rotation in my hair care regimen because of the benefits that I get from the moisturizing ingredients from this product. And the third and final product that I'll be speaking about today is another Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Break Up Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection is infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil, and shea butter. This collection targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness, and smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. It claims to moisturize dry hair, helps protect against breakage, helps detangle with less breakage. The main ingredients in this product is coconut oil, honey, shea butter, and silk amino acids, as well as some other moisturizing ingredients. When it comes to moisture, this product definitely gives the Shea Moisture leave-in treatment a run for its money. Plus, it's also very good at detangling, but the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling Spray is much better at detangling than this product, but it is still very good at detangling and it is very moisturizing. This product is the thickest out of all the conditioners that I've spoken about today. It's not very liquidy and it's more on a light cream texture. While this product claims to be lightweight, you need to be very careful with it and not be heavy-handed with this product because it can weigh down your hair. Overall, I love using this product. It is a great addition to my hair care routine, and it's great to have in rotation with the other Cream of Nature leave-in as it contains less proteins and it is a bit more moisturizing. How will I rank these products? In first place, I would definitely put my Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner. Nothing tops this. It's one of the best detanglers and it's very balanced in terms of having moisturizing and protein products. The scent isn't very overwhelming and this product lasts me a very long time. In second place is the second Cream of Nature conditioner, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. This product was also a recommended product to me and I instantly fell in love with it for its moisturizing benefits. These are absolutely great products. Major kudos to Cream of Nature for developing formulas that can facilitate relaxed hair needs such as moisture and protein balance. And in third place is the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Leave-In Treatment. This product is very good at softening and moisturizing your new growth, and it works well on those days where you just need a quick refresh to moisturize and seal your hair. While it's not the best detangler, the moisturizing benefits definitely shine through with this product, and it will be staying in my hair care routine on days where I need that extra moisture boost. And that brings me to the end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this concept that I've created with these product wars. I love sharing my opinion and my reviews of these products that I use in my hair care routine on a weekly basis. So let me know your thoughts. Did you like this video? Did you like the concept? Is there any products that you would like me to review? What product should I use next in my product wars? I'm thinking moisturizers, but stay tuned to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and subscribe to my channel to be a part of this platform. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.